Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the contacts app not working, crashing, freezing or other error on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart phone, open quick settings panel, suggest swipe down and click on this power icon. After click on this power icon, click on restart. After click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. But if it do not solve, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search contacts app and click on storage. If you want to fix contacts app not working, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data and click on delete. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on again settings app, scroll down to and click on software update and click on download and install, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix the contacts app not working, crashing, freezing or other errors on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.